gosh, it's stuck. No. Ow. Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a Rocksbox unboxing. I just got my new Rocksbox here. Rocksbox is a jewelry subscription service that you pay $21 a month, and that $21 goes toward any piece that you keep. They send you 3 to 4 pieces. I think it's 3, to be honest. I don't really remember ever getting 4 pieces, but they send you 3 pieces. That $21 goes toward any piece that you might want to keep, and whatever you don't keep, you have to send back in the envelope that they send you. You can reuse this envelope and send it straight back, and at no cost to you. But yeah, before I get into this unboxing, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified for future uploads. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I would also love for you to head over to my Instagram and follow me there. Show me some love there. I post a lot of creative content over there. Join my IG fam. And yeah, let's get into this unboxing. So this is the packaging of Rocksbox. Like I said, it's $21 a month. I actually have a discount code that will save you some. I think it's your first month free. I'll have it right here so you can go ahead and use it if you are interested. I love jewelry so much. I just love seeing what I get every single month. You take a style quiz and then they kind of select some pieces for you, but you are allowed to put like specific pieces in like a top 20 or top 10. When they are getting ready to mail out your box, they kind of choose 3 to 4 pieces from there to put in your box. You actually have an opportunity to switch out the pieces as well before they actually mail it to you, and I love that because I did switch out a couple of these pieces. But you actually kind of do know ahead of time what you get, but I do like unboxing this on camera so you guys can see my genuine reaction to what I get. And I just love jewelry so much. I want to do a jewelry collection video so badly. It's been actually requested a lot. I just don't know how I would do it because I have a lot of jewelry that like is a no-name, or a lot of like vintage jewelry that I get in like antique stores, or handmade jewelry that I've gotten in New Orleans. Oh my gosh, beautiful handmade jewelry. I don't know how I would do that video, so I'm like still kind of holding off on that. But anyway, this is how it comes. It comes in this envelope that you keep in case you want to send anything back, so don't throw this away. And I just broke it. I think it's okay though, as long as you don't break the seal where you actually tape it down. Oh, they changed the packaging, so this is what it looks like. That's so weird. I guess it's been a few months since I've gotten one. I actually like this a little bit more because the other one I felt weird throwing away, and it just seemed like to be a little less sustainable. This is what it says. Enjoy. It also says, hey gorgeous, and this paper has the monetary value of all of the items that you picked up. Ooh. I'm honestly so excited. I'm gonna be trying everything on. I already see, oh, it's actually not that bad of a price point this time. So you get a member discount once you become a member, and you get a buy all discount. So if you end up purchasing everything, then you get to have a little discount. So the first thing I see here is from Rudiment, and these are the Sutro cross studs. And I've been actually dying to get a pair of cross studs for the longest time. This is what they look like. I definitely wanted these studs as a second piercing kind of stud situation, so I'm gonna go ahead and take off the jewelry that I have on. They are crafted with genuine gold and silver finishes. That looks super pretty on my second piercing. Oh my gosh, I love it. Can you guys see it? I think you can. I love it. I've been wanting cross studs for so long, and I just had this vision of it on my second piercing, just looking super cute with the other pair of earrings that I just got. Definitely keeping these. They're so pretty. By the way, these cost $42. That's more expensive than the other earrings. By the way, they came in the little Rudiment pouch. The other two are just in Rocksbox pouches. So, oh, this is the ring. So this is the Slate body ring in rose gold. This is $42 as well. Jeez. That's kind of pricey, but I really do like how it looks. See if you guys can see that. It is rose gold, but I love mixing metals all the time. So I'm gonna take off this ring, which by the way, again, I can't tell you where I got this because I got it at it was like an outdoor market in New York. It was a size 7, I think. Oh, please tell me it's a size 7. Did I not put on my wedding ring today? I did not. That's so weird of me. So it only fits on my ring finger, and it's kind of loose on my ring finger, and it's too small for my middle finger. I guess it works. Nope, it doesn't even work there either. Oh my gosh, it's stuck. No. Oh my gosh, I really hate that feeling when it's like, oh my gosh, you can't turn back and your ring is stuck. It kind of works there. Oh, I'm stupid. Does it go this way? It goes this way. Yeah, I honestly kind of like it on the ring finger. I really like it. It's simple. I don't think it's worth $42 though, so I might think about returning that one. It's like, I'm pretty sure this one was way less expensive, and look at like I just love the moonstone. Anyway, yeah, this is what I'm talking about though, about a jewelry collection that I can't tell you where I got this. This was like handmade. It was sold at a random person's like little booth in New York in the middle of a market, which I absolutely love getting jewelry like that. That's like my favorite way to get jewelry. Rather than name brands, just somebody handmade, some local artist. Like, you know, I just really love supporting supporting local art like that. This is really pretty though. I'm actually like looking at it and I'm like, I want to keep it. And the last thing we have is also from Slate, and it is the Kent. Oh, I'm obsessed. I already see them. The Kent hoops in gold. So these are chunky hoops, and chunky hoops are apparently very in at the moment. They're all over the runway, so they're gonna be in style for fall. I'm putting these on immediately. I've never worn chunky hoops like this. I'm living for them, dude. Ow. Oh, okay. Ow. I'm actually living for this combo. Wow. The only thing that I noticed is that the stud in the back comes off very easily. I'm not sure I like that. They are very, very thick, but they aren't heavy on the ear. I thought they would be a little too heavy on the ear, and I don't like weighted down. And I like that they're small, but yeah, these are very in at the moment, and I wanted a pair of these. So like when I saw them, I was like, add to top 20. I love this so much. I'm keeping this. If I keep all of them, the retail subtotal is $140, member discount is $22, buy all 3 discount is $10, so the total would be $108. $108 is not bad for 3 pieces actually, especially when they're such high quality. I'm living for these. I've never worn thick hoops before, and I'm just like loving the way they look on me. But if I were to just do the rudiment studs and the hoops, it would be 34 plus 42, 76. So significantly less, but you definitely do get a discount. I just realized that. The last thing in the box though is the return label, so you don't have to pay for anything if you want to return it. So just letting you know, it's definitely worth the money if you want to experiment with different jewelry that you wouldn't normally buy yourself. That's what I love about Rocksbox. Like, it just gets delivered to your door and you just get a bunch of pieces that you probably wouldn't normally buy yourself. And after looking at these on me, like, I'm like, yeah, I'm keeping these. This is everything. I'm really, really happy with what I got. What do you guys think? Which is your favorite? I think I'm loving this combo. I can't choose which one. Which one's your favorite though? Let me know. Would you get Rocksbox? Let me know what you guys think about Rocksbox. Again, you could use my code for your first month off. I am not an affiliate with them. This video is not sponsored. I just genuinely love jewelry so much that I just love getting it through Rocksbox because it just comes to my door. It's just so easy. And again, it's pieces I wouldn't normally buy myself. And yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me out so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. And that goes like, you can but yeah, before I get into this, just to see like my or like, I don't know, in case you send something, you want to send something back, and hopefully my lighting isn't too washed out. Come on. Definitely keeping these two. Still iffy about this one. And yeah, that's it for this video. Let me know if you enjoyed it.